Hello everyone. As you know, we are discussing class 10th English, and today date is 8 August 20. Class 10th English book, that is Footprints Without Feet. This is English book of class 10th. Okay, and the chapter is A Triumph of Surgery. As you know, we have discussed the meaning of triumph is joy for success. Meaning of triumph means joy for success. As we have discussed that this is a story about a dog whose name is Tricky, and the name of its mistress means here its mistress is a rich lady. Okay. So here we have discussed about the Hindi in this chapter, but today we will discuss the theme of this chapter in English, that is Tricky and his 5-star treatment. Okay, as we have discussed that Tricky is a dog. Who is Tricky? Tricky is a dog. And who is owner of the dog? Mistress. Mistress is a rich lady. Okay. So Tricky was a small pet dog of Mrs. Pumphrey. Okay. The name of dog's mistress is Mrs. Pumphrey. Okay, Mrs. Pumphrey. She gave her pet a 5-star treatment, a huge wardrobe, coats and collars. Okay, coats and collars. Different bowls of different meals, a lot of toys, etc. Means here we can say that Mrs. Pumphrey used to love Tricky so much. Mrs. Pumphrey's pampering means here the great love towards Tricky by Mrs. Pumphrey. Mrs. Pumphrey pampered Tricky by giving him chocolates, cakes, juice, eggs, wine, etc. Means Tricky was given chocolates, wine, biscuit, okay, biscuit, juice, okay, different types of things. It shows that Mrs. Pumphrey used to love Tricky very much, but she did not give him any exercise. Means here dog was never made any exercise by Mrs. Pumphrey. So Tricky became overfed and passive. Means here because Mrs. Pumphrey used to love very much Tricky and it was given overdose. Dr. Harriot's advice ignored. Once upon a time, a doctor who was veterinary doctor, and the name of Dr. Harriot's veterinary surgeon who was Dr. Harriot was a veterinary doctor. Okay. So once upon a time, veterinary doctor surgeon Harriot instruction of a strict diet and lot of exercise were grossly neglected. Next thing is that Tricky became sick. Tricky's condition became worse. He stopped eating. After few days, Tricky stopped eating. He started vomiting. His eyes became red and rheumy, watery. Rheumy means here watery. Tricky stated treatment in surgery. Dr. Heriot took Tricky to his hospital. Surgery was treatment. For 2 days he was given nothing but a lot of water. Means when Tricky was sent for the surgery, it was given nothing. 4 days only. 4 days only it was given water. He did not play with the other dogs, neither they found him interesting. Okay. Third day Tricky showed some interest, moved out a little and licked the empty food bowls of others. Next day he was served food with others. Gradually he started playing and enjoying with the others. That means here you can say that when Tricky was sent to a hospital in the care of Dr. Heriot, at that time 3 days Tricky was not given anything, only he was given water. After then, means next day, he was served food with others dogs. Gradually, he started playing and enjoying with the others dog. When others dog used to play, then gradually he started to be company of others dog. Tricky's recovery. Dr. Heriot did not reply to Mrs. Pumphrey queries about course and bowls, but told her that Tricky was recovering fast. She started sending eggs and wine for him. For a speedy recovery, Dr. Heriot and his partner helped themselves to eggs and wine sent by the Mrs. Pumphrey. They did not give him to Tricky. When Mrs. Pumphrey started to send wine, fires, fruits, etc. in the hospital of Dr. Heriot's, at that time, Dr. Heriot did not give anything. Mrs. Pumphrey's happiness after 15 days. How many days? After 15 days, Mrs. Pumphrey was asked to take Tricky back home. She was very happy to see a hard, muscular, flexible, normal dog and lived in her lap and licked her face. Success of surgery, she thanked grateful to Dr. Heriot and called it is a success of surgery. So here we can say that a triumph of surgery means it is a success of surgery. Okay. So as your today's homework is that your today's homework learn and write short summary of this chapter. Learn and write short summary of this chapter. Okay guys.